Happy Monday. It is windy. We're going to listen to the weather.
Accomack County Airport. Automated weather observation. 1620 Zulu weather. Wind 180 at 18 gusts 32. Visibility 107,000. Scattered. Ceiling 8,000. Overcast. Temperature 8 Celsius. Dew point 4. Altimeter 3003.
All right, we're going to listen to the winds one more time. It is windy.
Accomack County Airport. Automated weather observation. 1621 Zulu weather. Wind 180 at 18 gusts 32. Visibility 10.
All right, gusting to 32 knots, but it's daylight, so I'm going to get some wind practice in here today. So, America. Accomack traffic, real time departing 218.
Dew point 4. Altimeter 3002. Accomack County Airport. Automated weather observation. 1628 Zulu weather. Wind 190 at 2. 1 gust 32. Visibility 10. Ceiling 7,000. Broken 8,000. Overcast. Temperature 8 Celsius. Dew point 4. Altimeter 3002. Accomack County Airport. Automated Automated weather observation 1628 Zulu weather wind 19 at 2 1 gust 3 0 visibility 10 ceiling.
How about that, America?